going to be showing you my fidget box. Okay, let's go. Okay, mind that toy rat. It's that cat's favourite. See, watch this. I think she likes food more. Patsy. Oh my gosh, she cares about food more than her rat. Let's go. OMG, I'm so scared that that's going to fall on me. But first one, this Hello Kitty puppet. It's very silent, sort of on the front, but on the back it's like so loud. Don't worry, I'm not a fidget noob. It's like so loud on the back, so it's the noisy side. Anyways, ice cream puppet. This is like sort of like my dream puppet. So I always thought it was so cool. Quiet, loud. You've probably seen this on one of my videos. I have way more monkey noodles, but I'm going to show you all the colours. Purple, green. I like the green one. It's quite a nice effect. Blue, and also I like orange because it's quite bright. I like the bright colours. Pink, yellow. Those are all the colours. Patsy, don't get suspicious. I got this Game Boy puppet from Santa, but look. Can you hear them popping back up? Me and Dad tried to play a game, but they kept popping back up. Here, let me show you. OMG, one just popped back up. See if I... See, they're popping back up. I'm pressing down quite hard. See? This is probably my favourite puppet. Might just look quite plain, but I love this. Because it's quite easy to pop. Probably that's my favourite now, the Hello Kitty one, because it's easier to pop. Two pop tubes stuck together. You saw Mr. Chippy. This one I think it's going to be called tomato. Yeah, I like tomato. Cabbage. Blue. Mr. Blue Sky. Okay, so Mr. Blue Sky. Comment on unless you know that song. I used to love that song when I was a baby. Potato. Cabbage. This. I lost it. Then I found it. But then? Oh, it's in my bag. Hang on guys, I just need to get my pot. Next one is this orange. I feel so weird, like just sitting next to this. I feel like I'm in a different house. I don't know why. Simple Dimple. This is probably like my first Simple Dimple. There used to be a market that sells fidgets, like everything. So like, always used to go there when it was like the holidays. That's how I have so many fidgets. Among Us puppet. My cousin will probably love this. Because he downloaded Among Us on my grandma's phone. He was about 4 or 5, and he's 5 now. But, oh Lola, do you want to go into the kitchen? Then his mum told him that he's not allowed Among Us, so Grandma had to delete it. And I didn't know that, and I love Among Us. Next is Dimple. Like, if you go like that, it chips you. See, like, ow, chip my lip. My brother gave me this like ages ago. This is probably like my first fidget. I always used for like. My favourite is probably the light switch, but this light switch sort of broke. So you can't really light switch it. Oh my gosh. Anyways. OMG. My grandma got me this. And it's like my favourite. I'll show you what it does. Okay. Gotta unlock the door. You guys aren't going out. Bye bye. What it should do what it's meant to do. What? Okay, we'll leave this outside and see if it changes colour. It's quite grey out. Quite cloudy, so that's why it might not be working. But we'll check on it soon. It's weird just seeing one of my puppets outside. Anyways. My friend gave this to my other friend, who's not really my friend. Then he gave it to me. Looks like these Hawaii kittens. But it's popped. But you can still push it. Anyways. This used to be a bracelet from my friend's shop. But then it broke. And I tried to pop two at once. Do not do that because look. But you can still pop it. Ish. Anyways. Pop it fidget spinner. Amazing. Among Us again. Like OMG. Among Us. Fidget spinner. No, this is my first fidget. I don't understand how these are fidget though. I know they're called fidget spinners, but they just spin. Dimple. For some reason that's orange. This pops easily. Like you could just carry on playing with this for infinity. Whoa! This was from my grandma's. It was in a bag. Then she said that I could keep it, but this is not a fidget. It's a really cool gem. My cousin also has one, but it's not as cool as this. See it go? OMG. Can you see it like sort of like reflecting on there and on my pop tubes? That is just so another one. This is what my friend gave me. If you wouldn't light it. Oh, one's lighting. I think it's how fast you spin it. Unicorn Dimple. Okay. Pea Papa. Papello! 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 Oh my gosh, I was giggling so hard at that with my friend. With my friend Maeve. With Socky Norris, she went with her Pea Papa. Oh wait, no. Papello! So funny. Dang good. I love this. Okay, this, if you spin super fast, it lights up, but it's so old, this. Like, so old. I had it when I was like 3. And then, this is the end. Morning! Oh wait, no, I need to hold on. Monkey noodles! I like so much. I can make rainbow noodles. So, and that is it. Bye.